You coming? I think he likes grass. Yeah.
I built a small floating platform for him and carefully introduced him to it. To my surprise, he immediately relaxed. Now he rides behind my kayak like a seasoned adventurer, calmly watching the world drift by. At home, Fitz still follows his own routine. He disappears for long afternoon naps, then wakes up before sunrise, demanding attention with loud meows.
Kitten? Hi.
People often ask how I taught him to walk off leash. The truth is, I didn't. Coco did. Fitz simply watched her and learned.